Hi student, today we are solving a very complex math problem. A plus b is equal to a, b is equal to a divided by b. Now we're finding value of a and value of b. Now our equation number 1 is a plus b is equal to ab, and our equation number 2 is ab is equal to a divided by b. Our 3 is a plus b is equal to a divided by b. This is very complex and interesting math problem. Don't skip any part of video. Watch video till end. A is equal to a, b minus b, and then this a is equal to b into ab is equal to a divided by b into b, and this will be ab square is equal to a. Now ab square minus a is equal to 0. A into b square minus 1 is equal to 0, and a is equal to 0. B square minus 1 is equal to 0, and b square is also equal to, this a 1 moved this side, 1, and under root of b square is equal to under root of 1, and b is equal to plus minus 1. Now we move into our equation. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. After this we get this. They have three cases here. One is this, b is this, 3 is this. Now we are solving case number 1. When a is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, we check this. 0 plus b is equal to 0 into b, and b is not equal to 0, so this is rejected. Now we check this. 0 into b, our equation 2, 0 into b is equal to a divided by b. 0 into b is equal to 0 divided by b, and we get 0 is equal to 0. That have no solution. And this is our third. A plus b is equal to a divided by b, and 0 plus b is equal to 0 divided by b. B is not is equal to 0, and that is rejected. Now we check case number 2. Here is our case number 2. When b is equal to 1, we are checking b is equal to 1, and our term is here a plus b is equal to a b. It means a plus 1 is equal to a into 1. A plus 1 is equal to a, and a plus 1 is equal to a, and a plus 1 minus a is equal to 0. This move to this side. This equal by this, plus 1 is not equal to 0. That is no solution. Now we check second equation. Now we are checking this second, that is no solution. Now we check this, ab is equal to a divided by b. This will be a into a is equal to a divided by 1, and this will be a is equal to discuss by this a. It gives no solution here. Now we check this third, when b is equal to 1, a plus b is equal to a divided by b, and a plus 1 is equal to a divided by 1, and this will be a minus a plus 1 is equal to a, and a minus a plus 1 is equal to 0, and 1 is equal to 0. That is not possible. So now we have case number 3, when b is equal to minus 1. Now we are checking these threes, if when b is equal to minus 1. Now first we are checking a plus b is equal to a b. A plus minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1. A minus 1 is equal to minus a, and a plus a minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2a is equal to 1, and a is equal to 1 divided by 2. This move into this side. It gives solution a is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now we check our second and our third case. Our second is ab is equal to a divided by b, and this is a into minus 1 is equal to a into divided by minus 1, and this will be a minus 1 is equal to minus a plus a minus 1 is equal to 0, and 2a is equal to 1, and a is equal to 1 divided by 2. It gives same. That is our second, and now we are checking our third, a into minus it gives, and our third is a into minus a into b is equal to a divided by b. Now we are checking this, and we get a into minus 1 is equal to a divided by minus 1. A minus 1 is equal to a, and then a plus a minus 1, and this will be a minus 1 is minus a is equal to minus a. This cut by this remains 0. 0 is equal to 0. That have no solution. This is our second, and this is our third. Now we move into this side. Our case number 1, case number 2, and case number 3. That is rejected. That is rejected. That is a is equal to 1 divided by 2. This side we get a. Now our a is 1 divided by 2 and b is equal to minus 1. This is our answers, and now we are verifying. A plus b is equal to ab is equal to a divided by b. We are putting values here. 1 divided by 2 plus minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by minus 1. This will be 1 divided by 2 minus 1 plus minus minus is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Now this will be 1 minus 2 divided by 2, and it is equal to minus 1 divided by 2, and minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So our answer is now verified. Our all sides equal each other. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem, and our value of a is 1 divided by 2 and value of b is minus 1.